Shark Sway Z, and I'm going to show you how to go viral with an AI thumbnail, video title, and description generator, all for free. So check this out, and make sure you subscribe for more. I'm working with a client making videos in Thailand. Okay, so I went to Reddit for video ideas, and I seen this one had a lot of comments and a lot of interaction. How to avoid getting scammed with lady drinks. All right, so I'm gonna copy that title. I already have an Airtable made out with a video title, thumbnail prompt, the actual thumbnail, the revised title, the video description. Okay, and they created a date. So just go ahead and pause the video and make this out real quick. They're all text except for the thumbnail. Make sure that's an attachment URL. So I'm just going to copy in my video idea right here to the first part. And then let's go over here to our make.com that we have built out right here. And let's go ahead and run it. So we got two lanes. The first lane is going to create the thumbnail. So it's going to take that video idea and then it's going to actually create the thumbnail. All right. And the second part is going to, so now we should have the thumbnail here. Okay. All right. So boom, this is the AI thumbnail it generated for us. So, and now we have the revised title. Let's see what the revised title said. 10 lady drink scams exposed. Don't get tricked at bars anymore. Oof. Pretty vibrant here. Then the video description. Discover the top 10 most common lady drink scams happening in bars. Overpriced cocktails, fake beers, So then boom, we have a description. All automatically. So let's see how we did it. Let's break it down step by step really fast. Set up your Airtable. Obviously, that's step one. Create the grids, like I said. If you want to watch that Airtable, just set it up to watch that video table right here. And then basically you're going to run that through GPTs and up their Airtable. I can make a more in-depth video step by step, but I want to keep this short to just about 3 minutes. So make sure you subscribe, you like, you let me know, would you like a product like this? Or what you want to see made next. Peace.